second did a tremendous job showing her calf.
Yine bu taraftaki
After a while, I was starting with her. She did have trouble once to set up her calf, and therefore I'd have to put her in second today. But both very, very good showing, both girls.
İşleyen işgalere yerite ve saatine belli bir pul veriyorlar, belki saatli veriyorlar, aynı puldaydı. Saatine $10 oluyor, ne bağlı firma $20 oluyor.
We'd ask our participants to stay lined up as we have an award to draw here, so apologize for the misunderstanding. Before announcing the results, let's give our showmen a good round of applause for the show they put on here today. Here are the placings, the results for the class. Voici les résultats de la classe de présentation à Shear. En première position, in first place, Holly Masters of Nova Scotia. En deuxième position, in second place, Stacy Borg of Quebec. En troisième position, numéro 198. In third place, Annika Masters of Nova Scotia. En quatrième position, in fourth place, Grayson Bergeron of Ontario. En cinquième position, in fifth place, Nicolas Lassette from Quebec. In sixth place, McKenna Stevens, Ontario.
Ne bu sorular hakkında?
Seventh place, Adrien Guillaume of Quebec. In eighth place, Chelsea Stevens, Ontario. In ninth place, Tyler McLean, Nova Scotia. In 10th place, Jake Lucier, Quebec.